Thousands of independent dealers throughout the country are in the business of selling and delivering coal to the consumer. And a host of manufacturers and dealers produce or sell coal-consuming equipment. Bituminous coal ranks above all other commodities in railroad tonnage and revenue. The railroads themselves use about one-sixth of the total annual production. Thus, the railroad and the coal industries are partners, each dependent upon the progress and welfare of the other. For centuries, the empire of black diamonds lay buried beneath the rugged mountains, inaccessible to the world until the railroad came. To serve the coal industry, the Norfolk and Western Railway spends many millions of dollars for efficient, adequate coal handling facilities. It designs, builds, and maintains in its own shop fleets of powerful coal-burning steam locomotives, especially designed for moving heavy tonnage trains. In the railway's great shop, workers build thousands of sturdy steel coal cars,